in the House just passed the Secure Act. The bill will now go to Senate and should make its way to the president's desk. But the bill is expected to impact most Americans as they prepare for retirement. And CPA Kimberly Washington is here to explain what this all really means for you at home. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
We talk about retirement all the time. This bill is a pretty big change. Let's kind of just go over some of the basic things that are going to change.
So one of the basic changes will really impact small business owners. Many small business owners do not offer retirement plans to their employees. What this plan is going to do, or this bill rather, it's going to actually provide tax incentives and tax credits so those employers can actually provide different retirement options for their employees, and especially for part-time employees, because more than likely they usually are the ones that stuck out of the deal when it comes to saving for retirement.
You know, about savings is always about starting early and often, right?
Yes.
Speak to that as far as this bill is concerned.
So as far as this bill is concerned, so right now under current law, you're able to save for retirement up until the age of 72 for traditional, rather 70 years old for traditional IRAs. What this plan is going to do is actually increase that age to 72 years old. And also for individuals right now who are in retirement, they're actually responsible to pull that money out of retirement at the age of 70 and a half. This bill will also extend that age to 72 years of age too as well. So it's just extending a longer time for you to save your assets.
And talk about pulling money out. Another part of it is talking about a little relief for student loan debt, correct?
Right. This is a really big deal because this bill would also allow individuals who have 529 plans to use that money and actually pay towards student loan debt. And we know that many individuals' student loan debt is a huge burden. So now to allow your 529 plans to actually take care of that, that's really a big deal.
Also covers some other child care things as well.
Exactly. So right now, if you're having children or if you're looking for adopting children too as well, this bill would allow you to pull money out of your retirement plan penalty free and use it for those expenses. So again, a lot of different changes that we can expect as we know retirement is concerned.
And if this bill goes to the desk, when should we see? Is this going to be next tax year?
It's going to take a little while before everything is set in place, but we can see it in the near future.
Okay. Well, let's talk about you talk about the 529, and that kind of brings us into your Kim Sense today.
So my Kim Sense today, especially with this new bill and the 529 plan, this may be a good idea right now. Start putting money away in the 529 plan because this plan actually gives you additional money. So if you're able to use it for student loans, this would be a good time to start looking into that plan and kind of setting it up for yourself.
Yeah, I have 529. One of the most amazing things about that program is the state matches it for some people who
that's free money. You're right, it's free money, and a lot of people aren't aware of that. So not only you're saving, but you're actually getting free money. It does depend on your income, but it's a good way to save.
All right, always great to have you here.
Thank you
always
so
good
much.
to hear about some of the tricks and the money, and we're going to put all this on our website, WDSU.com. Gina.